Will God hear you when you deal unjustly with other people? And what is true forgiveness?
And when ye stand praying, forgive, if ye have aught against any, that your Father also which is in heaven may forgive you your trespasses. But if ye do not forgive, neither will your Father which is in heaven forgive your trespasses. Therefore is the kingdom of heaven like unto a certain king, which would take account of his servants. And when he had begun to reckon, one was brought unto him, which owed him 10,000 talents. But forasmuch as he had not to pay, his Lord commanded him to be sold, and his wife and children, and all that he had, and payment to be made. The servant therefore fell down and worshipped him, saying, Lord, have patience with me, and I will pay thee all. Then the Lord of that servant was moved with compassion, and loosed him, and forgave him the debt. But the same servant went out, and found one of his fellow servants, which owed him 100 pence. And he laid hands on him, and took him by the throat, saying, Pay me that thou owest. And his fellow servant fell down at his feet, and besought him, saying, Have patience with me, and I will pay thee all. And he would not, but went and cast him into prison, till he should pay the debt. So when his fellow servants saw what was done, they were very sorry, and came and told unto their Lord all that was done. Then his Lord, after that he had called him, and said unto him, O thou wicked servant, I forgave thee all that debt, because thou desirest me. Shouldest not thou also have compassion on thy fellow servant, even as I had pity on thee? And his Lord was wroth, and delivered him to the tormentors, till he should pay all that was due unto him. So likewise shall my heavenly Father do also unto you, if ye from your hearts forgive not every one his brother their trespasses.
As illustrated in the story that Jesus told, refusing to forgive others for the wrong they do to us makes God very unhappy. He's forgiven us so much. We should be willing to do the same for others. Is it hard? Absolutely. So hard that it's impossible for you to do it in your own strength. You need the power of God in order to truly forgive. Here's a practical way to approach God with this, especially when you really don't want to forgive. Tell God exactly how you feel. Lord, I'm angry, upset, or hurt by what happened to me. In my heart right now, I don't want to forgive, but I know you want me to. Help me. This is a prayer that's in harmony with God's will, and He will help you.